Yes. Capital 7. Yes. बेनिफिट्स भी हो गया था, इनलाइन, इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल हो गया था। बैकग्राउंड प्रॉपर्टी हो गया था ना, बैकग्राउंड प्रॉपर्टी भी पढ़ा दिए थे। ओके। ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। So now we will yes, good morning. Now we will discuss about image property. What do you mean by image property? So now we will discuss about image property. So image property is used for adding the image on the web page. Okay. Okay, dear students. So image properties will allow to add the images on the web page. Then we will use image property. So how to be add a image on the web page? So suppose you have a image in a file manager, but if you want to put any image on the desktop background, then how to be put? Look here. So here HTML given, here HTML given, head given, here written title is your background image, a style, okay? And in body part we are writing here background image URL means address of the URL means uniform resource locator. Okay, so we will put the just like .jpg. So then size of the image, and then we will put. So this way we will use for background image, adding the background image. So this background image will come. Okay. Okay. Next is background position. So this property defines the position of the background image add in HTML documents. Means where you want to put the images. If you want to put the images in right side, left side, anywhere, then we will use background position. So it will take your x position, y position. Okay, length of the x axis, breadth of the x axis, and length of the x axis. Okay. Okay. Yes. So yes. Suppose these properties define the position of the background image added in HTML documents. Means if you want to put any image on the desktop, then we will use background position. Okay. You must have observed in the code above that the image is added in the web page on the top left corner. Then we use. So your formats is given background position, X position and Y position. Okay. Look here. Here examples also given. Here given background. Yes. Color. So color code here. Background image. So images URL is here. Background position. So position is X 55% and Y 30%. Background repeat, no repetition. And background attachment fixed. Okay. Okay, dear students, this is the attachment of the background attachment. What do you mean by background repeats? If you must, if you must have also observed that image when insert on the web page is repeated both horizontally and vertically. Yes, then we will use background repetition, means repeat. So this is the default setting. So you can also change this setting by using this property. Which types of property we will use? Background repeat property. So after writing background repeat, then put the value. Okay. Value can no repeat, repeat x axis, repeat y axis, and repeat by default here. Okay. So all these are the values given. Okay. How to be write programs, how to be put background. So look here, first we will write start. Here is HTML given, here HTML close, here is head open and head will close also. Okay, दिख रहा है आप लोग को? Okay. And title here background images and title close. A style, in a style, here a style close. Inside the style we will use body parts. So body parts, what is the body parts? Background, color and here codes given. Background image URL is given. Background position, positions given XY. Background repeat, no repeat. Background attachment fixed here. Style close, head close, body parts here. Here is body and here is body tag. So inside the body tag we are using H1 for applying background image. H1 applying background image, H1 close. This way we will close it. Okay. And here is your output. Output will come here. How many times here written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already 6 times here written now. Then it will come so far. Okay. Clear? समझ में आ गया? तो आपका ये चैप्टर जो है कंप्लीट हो गया. ओके. तो आप लोग जो है कि इसको याद कीजिएगा. ठीक है. और कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. So tomorrow, everyone, today everyone complete it. What is the full form of HTML? Very good. What is the full form of CSS? What is the full form of CSS? Okay. Write some question. Write down some question. All of you ready? Yes. What is the use of what is the use of bold, italics and underline? या लिख सकते हैं बी टैग, आई टैग एंड यूएल टैग्स, यू टैग्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ टू अप्लाई सीएसएस? हाउ टू अप्लाई सीएसएस? हाउ टू अप्लाई सीएसएस? रिटन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आप लोग अब एक्सरसाइज को पूरा बनाइएगा, ठीक है? Everyone complete all exercise. Okay. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will take computer class. 3 days computer class I will take. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.